Jenkins is an open-source automation server that serves as the backbone of modern software development workflows. It enables continuous integration and continuous deployment, automating the repetitive tasks of building, testing, and deploying applications. This powerful tool integrates with various development tools and helps teams deliver software faster and more reliably. Jenkins offers multiple deployment options to suit different environments and requirements. You can install it using package managers like apt on Ubuntu or Yum on CentOS. The WAR file method allows running Jenkins directly with Java. Docker deployment is increasingly popular for its portability and ease of management. Cloud platforms provide managed Jenkins services, while native installers are available for Windows and Mac OS systems. Let's look at a practical Docker deployment example. First, pull the official Jenkins Docker image. Create a Docker volume to persist Jenkins data. Then, run the container with port mapping from 8080 to 8080. The command docker run p 8080. 8080 Jenkins starts Jenkins accessible via localhost. 8080. After startup, access the web interface to complete the initial setup wizard. Here's a complete CI/CD pipeline example using Jenkins. When a developer pushes code to the Git repository, a webhook triggers Jenkins automatically. Jenkins pulls the latest source code, builds the application using Maven or Gradle, runs automated tests to ensure quality, and if everything passes, deploys to staging or production environments. Finally, it sends notifications about the build status. This creates a fully automated pipeline from code commit to deployment. Jenkins offers numerous benefits that make it indispensable for modern software development. It's completely free and open source, with an extensive plugin ecosystem supporting virtually any tool or technology. Jenkins is highly scalable and flexible, adapting to projects of any size. The strong community provides excellent support and continuous improvements. Its cross-platform compatibility and automated workflows enable faster, more reliable software delivery, making Jenkins essential for successful DevOps practices.